China unveils two tailless stealth combat jets within 24 hours, a landmark event in military aviation. Date: December 27, 2024. Summary. In a significant development that has captured global attention, China showcased two new tailless stealth combat jets within a span of 24 hours, marking a major leap in its military aviation capabilities. The unveilings, which took place on December 26, 2024, involved designs from Chengdu Aircraft Corporation (CAC) and Shenyang Aircraft Corporation (SAC), representing a notable advancement in Chinese aerospace technology. Event timeline: December 26, 2024. Chengdu's design reveal: the larger of the two prototypes was unveiled, featuring a unique three-engine configuration. This design was shown to operate alongside a Chengdu J-20 stealth fighter during test flights, emphasizing its advanced capabilities. Shenyang's design reveal: shortly after, a smaller twin-engine prototype from Shenyang was revealed. This aircraft was seen flying with a Shenyang-made Sukhoi Su-27 clone, further indicating its developmental stage. Key highlights of the prototypes: 1. Tailless design. Both aircraft feature a tailless delta configuration, which is intended to reduce radar cross-section and enhance stealth capabilities. This design approach, while aerodynamically complex, benefits from modern digital fly-by-wire systems that can mitigate stability issues associated with tailless aircraft. 2. Potential applications. Although both jets are categorized as prototypes for potential sixth-generation fighters, their specific roles remain unclear. Experts speculate that they could evolve into multi-role combat aircraft or stealth bombers, especially in light of ongoing development of China's next-generation bombers such as the JHXX and H-20. 3. Strategic timing. The announcement coincided with the 13th anniversary of Mao Zedong's death, suggesting a deliberate effort by the Chinese military to enhance its image and showcase advancements in military technology. Source analysis: Forbes. The publication highlighted the marketing success of the reveals and noted the importance of continued investment in testing to determine the aircraft's effectiveness. Forbes emphasized the potential of these jets to serve as both stealth fighters and medium bombers, reflecting the PLA Air Force's strategic objectives. Air stealth. This source provided a detailed technical analysis of the designs, focusing on the distinctions between the Chengdu and Shenyang models. It suggested that while Chengdu's design may lean towards a heavier stealth bomber role, Shenyang's could represent a more traditional fighter model. 1945. The commentary explored the implications of the new aircraft on U.S. military strategy, suggesting that these prototypes could signify a significant step forward in China's air combat capabilities, possibly surpassing existing models like the J-20. Technical specifications: Chengdu prototype. Likely designated as the J-36, this aircraft is characterized by its large size and a trijet configuration. The design includes advanced features such as reduced radar visibility and increased internal capacity for weapons and fuel. Shenyang prototype. This smaller aircraft features a lambda wing profile and is equipped with two engines. Its design appears more conventional but maintains advanced stealth characteristics. The aircraft's size and configuration suggest it could serve as a versatile platform for various air combat missions. Impact on global military dynamics. The simultaneous unveiling of these two advanced prototypes illustrates China's commitment to advancing its military aviation technology, raising concerns within the U.S. and allied nations about the evolution of Chinese air power. The introduction of tailless designs reflects a broader trend in military aviation aimed at maximizing stealth and operational efficiency. As both prototypes undergo further testing, the global defense community will closely monitor their development and integration into the People's Liberation Army Air Force (PLAAF). The implications of these aircraft extend beyond mere technological advancement. They represent a shift in the balance of air power in the Asia-Pacific region. Conclusion: The unveiling of China's two new tailless stealth jets marks a pivotal moment in military aviation. As China continues to invest in and develop advanced combat aircraft, the international community must consider the ramifications for defense strategies and regional stability. The future capabilities of these aircraft, alongside their potential roles within China's broader military framework, are likely to define air combat dynamics in the years to come. In December 2024, China unveiled two new tailless stealth combat jets from Chengdu and Shenyang within a 24-hour period, generating significant interest in the military aviation community. These designs represent a notable step in China's evolution towards advanced military aviation, particularly in the realm of stealth technology, which has implications for air combat dynamics globally. Key features of the unveiled jets. 1. Tailless configuration. Both jets feature a tailless design, which significantly reduces their radar cross-section compared to traditional aircraft. This configuration allows for improved stealth capabilities, although it introduces complexities in terms of aerodynamic stability and control. The effectiveness of modern digital fly-by-wire systems is crucial in managing these challenges. 2. Distinctive design approaches. Chengdu's model. This aircraft is characterized by a three-engine layout, a feature that is relatively rare among modern fighter aircraft. The inclusion of a third engine may provide additional thrust and redundancy, although it complicates weight management and design. It is suggested that this model could evolve into a medium bomber role. Shenyang's model, in contrast, Shenyang's design is smaller and traditionally shaped, utilizing a dual-engine configuration. Its design hints at a more conventional fighter role, although it remains to be seen whether it could also serve as a ground attack platform. 3. Implications for military strategy. The unveiling is not merely a showcase of technological prowess but also a strategic communication tool. By aligning the release with Mao Zedong's birthday, the Chinese military may be signaling its ongoing commitment to military expansion and modernization, particularly in the context of regional tensions. Counterintuitive insights. Market dynamics and PR strategy. While the unveiling is celebrated as a technical achievement, it also serves as a marketing triumph for China's military aviation sector. The visibility and public demonstration of these aircraft contrast sharply with the U.S. Air Force's more secretive development approach for its next-generation air dominance NGAD program. This difference highlights a strategic choice by China to leverage public perception in its military advancements. Potential roles of the jets. Although both aircraft are being discussed as sixth-generation fighters, their actual intended roles are still uncertain. The Chengdu model's larger size and three-engine design could indicate a future bomber capability rather than a strictly fighter role. This duality blurs the lines between traditional fighter and bomber classifications, suggesting a shift in how air combat roles may evolve in the future. Technological leapfrogging. The rapid development timeline of these jets raises questions about the current status of U.S. sixth-generation efforts. The U.S. military is grappling with budget constraints and strategic priorities that may hinder its ability to keep pace with Chinese advancements. The emergence of these Chinese jets could signal a shift in technological leadership in military aviation. Complexity versus simplicity in design. The complexity of the tailless design, particularly for the Chengdu model with its three engines, may present challenges that could outweigh the benefits of reduced radar signature and drag. This notion challenges the conventional wisdom that more complex designs inherently yield better performance. Instead, it suggests a careful balancing act between technological ambition and practical operational effectiveness. Conclusion. The unveiling of these two tailless stealth jets marks a significant development in China's military aviation capabilities and reflects broader strategic ambitions. While they showcase advanced design techniques aimed at enhancing stealth and performance, the implications extend beyond mere technical specifications. The interplay between these aircraft's design potential roles and the geopolitical context underscores a transformative period in military aviation, challenging existing paradigms and prompting new discussions on air combat dynamics. The future trajectory of both Chinese and U.S. military aviation will significantly depend on how these developments are integrated into broader strategic frameworks, including budgetary considerations and technological advancements. In the recent unveiling of two tailless stealth combat jets by China, significant details may be overlooked by observers focused primarily on the surface-level implications of the event. Below are key aspects and their significance that warrant closer examination. 1. Timing and symbolism. The timing of the aircraft's reveal coincides with Mao Zedong's birth anniversary, a strategic choice likely intended to enhance nationalistic sentiment and assert military prowess. This is significant as it reflects the Chinese government's intent to link military advancements with historical narratives, potentially galvanizing public support and reinforcing the legitimacy of the ruling Communist Party. The act of unveiling these jets on a symbolic date serves as a reminder of China's historical struggles and triumphs, positioning military advancements as a continuation of national rejuvenation. 2. Technical complexity of tailless design. While the tailless configuration offers stealth advantages by reducing radar cross-section, it also introduces significant aerodynamic challenges. The complexity of achieving stable flight without traditional tail surfaces necessitates advanced digital flight control systems. This detail is crucial. It underscores the technological sophistication involved in the development of these aircraft. The ability to successfully manage the challenges of tailless design reflects China's growing capabilities in aerospace engineering and digital technologies, potentially signaling their readiness to compete with established military aviation powers. 3. Divergent manufacturing approaches. The distinct designs coming from Chengdu and Shenyang highlight a competitive dynamic within China's aerospace sector. Chengdu's three-engine configuration contrasts with Shenyang's twin-engine design, indicating differing strategic visions for future combat capabilities. This competition could drive innovation, potentially leading to a more rapid advancement in capabilities and technologies. Observers may miss the implications of this rivalry, which could result in a broader range of operational aircraft suited for various roles, thereby enhancing the versatility of the People's Liberation Army Air Force (PLAF). 4. Potential shift in combat roles. The ambiguity surrounding the intended roles of these aircraft, whether they will serve as multi-role fighters or stealth bombers, points to a broader trend in military aviation. The dual capability of these aircraft to potentially engage in both air-to-air and ground attack missions reflects a strategic shift towards more adaptable and flexible combat platforms. Understanding this trend is significant as it may influence how future conflicts are approached, particularly in the Asia-Pacific region, where rapid engagement and adaptability are becoming increasingly critical. 5. Impact on global military balance. The unveiling of these advanced jets introduces new variables into the global military balance, particularly concerning the United States and its allies. As China makes strides in stealth technology and advanced aviation, it challenges existing paradigms of air superiority. The implications for U.S. military strategy, particularly regarding the Next Generation Air Dominance (NGAD) program, are profound. This development could prompt a re-evaluation of investment and resource allocation in U.S. military aviation as the requirement to maintain technological superiority becomes increasingly pressing. 6. Emergence of a system of systems approach. The development of these aircraft is likely part of a broader system of systems strategy that integrates crewed aircraft with unmanned systems and AI capabilities. This interconnected approach to combat operations is essential for future air warfare as it allows for greater situational awareness, efficiency, and combat effectiveness. Observers often overlook the importance of this systemic integration, which could redefine not just the capabilities of individual aircraft but the operational dynamics of air engagements in general. 7. Technological investments and long-term commitments. The success of these prototypes hinges on substantial investment in research and development. The ability of China to follow through with these aircraft from prototype to operational status will depend on sustained funding and commitment. This is significant for understanding the long-term trajectory of China's military aviation capabilities. Observers might underestimate the economic and political factors that will influence the viability and production of these jets, which will ultimately determine their impact on regional and global security. 8. Geopolitical ramifications. As China advances its military capabilities, it will likely influence geopolitical dynamics in the Asia-Pacific region. Nations may feel compelled to bolster their own defense systems in response, potentially leading to an arms race or increased military tensions. The failure to recognize these geopolitical implications can lead to an incomplete understanding of the broader consequences of technological advancements in military aviation. Conclusion. The unveiling of China's two tailless stealth combat jets is a milestone that reflects not only technological advancements but also deeper strategic considerations. The interplay between domestic symbolism, technological complexity, and geopolitical ramifications are crucial for understanding the significance of this development. Overlooking these dimensions may lead to a superficial analysis that fails to capture the potential shifts in military capabilities and global power dynamics. 1. Advancements in stealth technology. The unveiling of two tailless stealth combat jets by China signifies a monumental leap in military aviation technology. Both designs utilize a tailless configuration, which is advantageous for reducing radar cross-section and improving stealth capabilities. The Chengdu design features a unique three-engine setup, while the Shenyang model is a smaller twin-engine variant. The absence of traditional tail surfaces, although challenging for stability and control, is mitigated by advanced digital fly-by-wire systems. This highlights China's commitment to developing next-generation aircraft that can effectively compete with and potentially surpass existing models like the J-20. 2. Implications for military strategy and operations. The potential roles of these new aircraft extend beyond typical fighter capabilities. Experts speculate that the Chengdu prototype could evolve into a medium-range stealth bomber complementing China's ongoing bomber programs like the JHXX and H-20. This aligns with broader military strategies aimed at enhancing China's power projection capabilities across the Asia-Pacific region. The introduction of versatile aircraft that can function in both air-to-air and ground attack roles indicates a shift toward a more integrated approach in aerial combat, potentially reshaping the dynamics in regional conflicts. 3. Timing and political significance. The timing of this announcement, coinciding with the 13th anniversary of Mao Zedong's birth and the historical unveiling of the J-20, suggests a calculated move by China to bolster its military image domestically and internationally. By showcasing advancements in military technology, China aims to assert its growing influence and capabilities on the global stage. This strategic presentation also serves as a reminder to rivals, particularly the United States, of China's rapid advancements in military aviation and technology. 4. Impact on global military balance. The introduction of these advanced stealth jets is likely to create ripple effects in global military dynamics, particularly concerning U.S. and allied airpower strategies. As the U.S. grapples with its own sixth-generation fighter programs, the successful development and deployment of China's tailless jets could prompt a reassessment of defense postures and technological investments among Western powers. The competitive landscape of military aviation is evolving, and China's advancements challenge the traditional dominance of U.S. military technology, necessitating a strategic recalibration in response to these emerging threats. 1. The development of the F-22 Raptor. The F-22 Raptor is a fifth-generation stealth air superiority fighter developed by Lockheed Martin for the United States Air Force. Its development began in the late 1980s, with the first flight occurring in 1997. Similar to China's recent unveiling of tailless stealth aircraft, the F-22 was designed with advanced stealth capabilities, supercruise ability, and high maneuverability. The F-22's design incorporated cutting-edge technology and innovative aerodynamics, which allowed it to maintain a low radar cross-section and perform effectively in combat scenarios. The emphasis on stealth and advanced technology in the F-22's design parallels China's focus on these aspects in their new tailless jets. 2. The Soviet Union's MiG-29. The MiG-29, developed by the Mikoyan Design Bureau, is a fourth-generation multi-role fighter that first flew in 1977. Like the two tailless jets recently revealed by China, the MiG-29 was designed with agility and combat effectiveness in mind, showcasing advanced aerodynamics for its time. The MiG-29 was notable for its versatility and capability to perform a variety of roles, including air superiority and ground attack, much like the potential multi-role applications of China's new aircraft. The MiG-29's development marked a significant leap in fighter technology for the Soviet Union, akin to China's advancements in stealth and combat capabilities. 3. The introduction of the Eurofighter Typhoon. The Eurofighter Typhoon, developed by a consortium of European aerospace companies, is a multi-role fighter that entered service in 2003. The Typhoon features advanced aerodynamics with a canard delta wing configuration, allowing for high agility and performance. Similar to China's recent aircraft, the Typhoon emphasizes low observability and advanced avionics. Its development was a collaborative effort among several nations, showcasing the strategic importance of maintaining a competitive edge in air superiority. The Typhoon's design philosophy, focusing on a balance of stealth, agility, and multi-role capabilities, aligns with the objectives of China's new tailless designs in enhancing their military aviation prowess. The recent unveiling of two tailless stealth combat jets by China represents a significant milestone in the nation's military aviation advancements. This event not only highlights China's growing capabilities in stealth technology but also raises questions about the future of aerial combat and the balance of power in the Asia-Pacific region. Here are some predictions for the future based on this development. 1. Acceleration of military aviation technology. China's introduction of new stealth jets indicates an accelerated pace in military aviation research and development. This trend is likely to continue, with rapid prototyping and testing becoming standard practice. The dual reveal suggests that Chinese manufacturers are competing not just on innovation but also on speed to operational readiness. Expect more prototypes and demonstrators to emerge, showcasing advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence, drone integration, and next-generation materials. 2. Shift in air combat strategies. As nations like China develop advanced stealth technologies, traditional air combat strategies will evolve. The introduction of tailless designs, which enhance stealth and reduce radar signatures, will likely influence how air forces engage in combat. Future strategies may emphasize the use of swarming tactics, where multiple aircraft operate in unison, leveraging their stealth capabilities to penetrate enemy air defenses more effectively. 3. Impact on global military balance. The emergence of these new Chinese jets is poised to shift the military balance, particularly in the Asia-Pacific region. The United States and its allies may feel pressured to accelerate their own sixth-generation fighter programs to maintain technological parity. This could result in increased military expenditures and a renewed focus on developing advanced capabilities in stealth range and payload capacity. 4. Increased focus on collaborative systems. The future of aerial combat may see a move towards integrated systems that combine crewed aircraft with unmanned systems. The ability to operate alongside drones, acting as loyal wingmen, will likely become a critical aspect of air power. China's advancements might prompt other nations to invest in similar capabilities, leading to a more interconnected and network-centric approach to air warfare. 5. Emergence of new doctrine and tactics. With the introduction of these stealth jets, new doctrines regarding air superiority and strike capabilities will emerge. The potential role of these aircraft as multi-role fighters or stealth bombers will necessitate a re-evaluation of existing military doctrines. Expect a shift towards concepts that prioritize agility, stealth, and the ability to operate in contested environments. 6. Increased investment in research and development. The competitive nature of military aviation development will lead to greater investments in research and development from global powers. Countries will likely allocate more resources toward innovative technologies such as hypersonic weapons, advanced sensors, and electronic warfare capabilities to counter the advancements demonstrated by China's new jets. 7. International arms race and regional tensions. As China showcases its military prowess, neighboring countries may respond with their own military upgrades, leading to an arms race in the region. This dynamic could exacerbate tensions in areas such as the South China Sea and Taiwan Strait as nations seek to bolster their defense capabilities in response to perceived threats. 8. Challenges in operational integration. Despite impressive designs, the integration of new aircraft into existing military frameworks poses challenges. Transitioning to advanced platforms requires extensive training, logistical support, and updates to operational protocols. The effectiveness of these new jets will depend on how quickly and effectively they can be integrated into the People's Liberation Army Air Force (PLAF) and how well they perform in real-world combat scenarios. 9. Potential for international collaboration or rivalry. The advancements in Chinese military aviation could prompt responses from international partners, leading to collaborations in defense technology development or exacerbating rivalries. Countries may seek to form coalitions to counterbalance China's growing military capabilities, leading to increased geopolitical tensions. 10. Long-term strategic implications. In the long run, the successful development and operational deployment of these new stealth jets could have profound implications for global security. Depending on how China chooses to leverage its advanced capabilities, the international community may need to reassess its strategic posture and approach to deterrence. In conclusion, the unveiling of China's tailless stealth combat jets is a harbinger of transformative changes in military aviation and global security dynamics. As nations adapt to these developments, the future of air combat military strategy and international relations will be shaped by the interplay of technological advancement, strategic competition, and collaborative efforts. The landscape of military aviation is set for a period of rapid evolution with significant implications for both regional and global stability.